Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 33. And if this is your first time here, I do project videos every week using a laser engraver. And if you like those type of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. In this project, we're gonna layer up some acrylic. Okay, let me explain first. See, I usually do my projects first, and then I come back and do my intro, my outro, and whatever else I wanna do in between. But in this project, I'm gonna go straight through it. I had got challenged by one of my friends. He gave me this design and now he want me to do it in 3 different colors. Okay, here's the logo right here. As you can see, it's 3 different colors: black, yellow, and white. The black is gonna be the back, the yellow is gonna be in the middle, and the white is gonna be on top. But as you can see between this eye and the end, if you zoom in, you can see like right here, like I know that part is gonna like break or something. It's not gonna cut out, it's not gonna be together. And also between the N and the G, like right here, is gonna do the same exact thing. But I had ended up breaking it up because it was already designed like this, like really cool. So I broke it up. So this is gonna be the white part right here. And as you can see, I'm gonna cut the white out just like this. I don't know how it's gonna really look, but I hope it turns out all right. And this is the yellow part. I think this is gonna be fine. And what I decided to do on this black part, this part is gonna be black. The whole thing in the red, as you can see, I'm gonna cut it out. And this part that's in the middle, the black part that's in the middle, see, I'm not gonna cut it out or I'm not gonna engrave. I'm gonna use that score feature on the laser engraver so that when I decide to put the yellow part inside of the black part, it's gonna be like a puzzle. All cut out. As you can see, they go to black, they go to yellow, and then here goes the white. I told y'all I was scared about this white. See them pointy parts right there, them little corner? Like, I knew it was gonna break. So like the end broke and it broke off the I, and also the G broke off. But we're gonna see what it's gonna look like when we put it on top of this yellow and then on top of the black. And also what I was saying, see, that's why you just want to score the black so you can easily know where to put it in. Because like when you put it inside of it, it's almost like it snaps into it like a puzzle. And it makes it easier to line everything up. There it is. All 3 colors. Got it all peeled off. There it is. Let's get a little close up on it. All 3 colors. Make sure that it's all glued together. 3 different colors. From my understanding, he said he's gonna do put some type of adhesive on the back of it, and he's gonna stick it to his car. That's what he said he's gonna do with it. It's pretty dope, pretty dope. Come on, I think I did a really good job. Look at that. Really good job. Oh, you think I did a really good job? Let me get that W in the comments right now. Really good job. Let's get the side again. 3 different color acrylics. There you have it. Project number 33 complete. Layering up some acrylic. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Every day.